Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows DCOM error code 1084. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Close and restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.